So this is Shilajit from the Himalayan mountains, and it is a dark, deep resin that actually oozes out of the mountains. Fascinating stuff. I've known about it for a really long time because I have studied herbs. I even worked in an herb store for a while, and I've studied different minerals and nutrition and things and how it affects the body because I'm super fascinated. I think our bodies are amazing. So let me show you how this comes. I'd like to thank Curewid Pure for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it because I've been taking Himalayan Shilajit for probably about 16 or 17 years now. Good stuff. There's not much of a flavor to it. There's a little bit of a smell to it, but I don't taste it. And it smells like a resin. It's like, it's like a dark resin, also called black gold. So it comes with this little spoon here, so you can actually get it out of the jar. And they recommend that you blend that into some hot water. So since it's hot water, I might as well just have it in my tea. You can have it in your coffee in the morning as well. And they say to do a little pea size 1 to 3 times a day. Now, of course, with any nutritional supplement or any exercise program, I would always recommend that you talk to your doctor first before you start anything new. Find out if it's going to be good for you. But yeah, this is good stuff. I like it. No flavor to it when I mix it with my tea. Yeah, pretty good stuff. So once again, thank you so much, Curewid Pure. I really excited to try this one, and I love the presentation of how it comes. Now, I did have a little bit of trouble opening this jar. I got my husband to open it, but it is a resin, so heat it up. If you heat that up, then it'll be a little easier to open if you happen to get a jar where it's a little hard to open. So, or you can use a jar opener. It'll come right open with a jar opener. So anyway, once again, thank you so much.